मैम आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
मैम म्यूट हो गई हैं।
Okay, now you can hear. So
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
direct speech means the actual words of the speaker. And what is indirect speech? Indirect speech means to convey the meaning without saying. Example पहले ले लेते हैं. He said, I will go to Delhi. I will go to Delhi. So these are the actual words. उसने जो कहा वो उसके actual words हैं. What is indirect speech? Indirect speech मतलब हम we don't say the actual words. We just convey the meaning of what someone has said. किसी ने जो कहा उसके शब्दों को हम अपने शब्दों में कहते हैं. वही वर्ड्स नहीं बोलते हैं, बस उसके मीनिंग, उसने जो कहा उसके मीनिंग को किसी और को बताते हैं. Indirect speech, to convey the meaning without saying the actual words. So whether we speak in direct or indirect, the sentence means the same. Just as in active passive, the meaning remains the same. The thief stole the jewelry. The jewelry was stolen by the thief. Meaning is the same. Direct and indirect also, meaning remains the same without saying the actual words. So indirect means you don't say the actual words, you just convey the meaning without saying the actual words. अब he said I will go to Delhi. अब उसने जो कहा वो तुम किसी और को बताओगे, तो how will you say? He said that he would go to Delhi. Both sentences mean the same. One are actual words, one is just to convey the meaning. Suppose your mother says to your brother, clean the room. अब भाई, तुम्हारे भाई ने सुना नहीं, तो you will tell your brother, mother told you to clean the room. So mother said clean the room. Mother said clean the room. This will be the actual words of mother. Mother said clean the room. ये डायरेक्ट स्पीच हो गया. माँ ने जो कहा वो एक्चुअल वर्ड्स. अब तुम्हारे भाई ने सुना नहीं, अब तुम अपने माँ ने जो कहा तुम अपने भाई को बताओगे, तो हाउ यू विल से? मदर asked you to clean the room. This is the indirect speech. माँ ने जो कहा वो तुमने अपने भाई को कन्वे किया, तो ये इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच हो गया. You understand what is direct and what is indirect? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So direct speech, किसी के द्वारा बोले गए एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स. इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच, किसी ने जो कहा उसको हम अपने शब्दों में जब किसी और को बताते हैं, तो वो हुआ इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. जैसे टीचर सेड आई विल टेक अ टेस्ट. अब तुम अपने दोस्त को, तुम्हारे दोस्त ने सुना नहीं, वो क्लास के बाहर था, तुम्हारा दोस्त वापस आया, तो तुम उसको बताओगे द टीचर सेड दैट शी वुड टेक अ टेस्ट. टीचर सेड आई विल टेक अ टेस्ट, ये एक्चुअल वर्ड्स हुआ, आई विल टेक अ टेस्ट. तुम अपने दोस्त को बताओगे टीचर सेड दैट शी वुड टेक अ टेस्ट. चेंजेस आर देयर. आई चेंज टू शी, will change to would. So that is indirect speech. So when we change from direct to indirect, what are the changes that you noticed? दोनों एग्जाम्पल में कौन कौन से चेंजेस थे? जो हमने पहला सेंटेंस लिया था, I will go to Delhi. I बदला. Here if you see the changes, what are the different changes that has occurred? What are the different changes? Here, first of all, what is the change? Observe both the examples and tell me. hello, hello, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
inverted commas were removed.
Yes, first thing inverted commas पहला में है, इसमें नहीं है. Second,
उसकी जगह पे दैट आ गया.
here you have linked both these. ये जो अलग अलग दोनों है उसको हमने लिंक कर दिया, that यूज किया. फिर
का उड हो गया.
will has changed to would. Change of tense. Then I has changed to he. So 4 changes we noticed. So what are the changes? First we remove the inverted commas. So first change, remove inverted commas. डायरेक्ट स्पीच में जब किसी के शब्द शुरू होते हैं तो कॉमा शुरू होता है, जब उसका सेंटेंस एंड हो जाता है तो वी रिमूव द कॉमास. तो वी remove those open and close commas. Then number 2, use connector that. that का यूज हम करते हैं, use connector that. Then third, I change to he. He said I will go to Delhi. और जब हमने इनडायरेक्ट में बनाया तो I को he बना दिया, तो that he. Change of personal pronouns. Soumya, you also wanted to learn letter to order, ना? Letter of order. एक किसी क्लास में डील कर देंगे. Change.
Okay, ma'am.
Change the personal pronouns. Change the personal pronouns. So this is the 4th change. And then we change the tense also. Change the tense. So these are the 4 changes you have to remember. Pronouns change करते हैं, inverted commas हटाते हैं, बीच में connector that use करते हैं. So now the rules for the change of tense. Rules for the change of tense, there are certain rules. You have to remember those rules. Rules for the change of tense. The first rule is simple present changes to simple past. Simple present changes to simple past. So we'll take an example. She said. Where you write simple present changes, you can write is, am will change to was, and are will change to were. You can just write it in the bracket. She said the weather is hot. Simple present. Who can change it? Jigyasa,
Yes, ma'am.
how will you change this sentence?
She said that the weather was hot.
She said that the weather
Was hot.
Yes, here is present. We will change it to past. Was hot. So it's clear to all of you. The first rule,
Yes, ma'am.
simple present to simple past. Second rule is present continuous to past continuous. Grammar is the same, almost same in 9th and 10th. Connectors, prepositions are there, तो उसको एक दिन deal कर देंगे. Important prepositions. Common use. Prepositions you learn best by practice. So present continuous to past continuous. Mother said, I'm cooking. शिखा चेंज करो इसको, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में क्या लगता है? शिखा झा, हेलो हेलो, शिखा यू आर प्रेजेंट? शिखा गायब हो गई, नॉट एबल टू हियर।
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ शिखा। दिव्यांश, दिव्यांश आंसर। Mother said I'm cooking. How will you change to indirect? Divyansh. You join the class and go away somewhere. Divyansh, can you hear me? Sarika? Sarika,
यस मैम।
बताओ कैसे चेंज करेंगे इसको?
मैम सेंटेंस क्या है?
Screen is visible or not? Mother said I am cooking. Present.
मदर सेड दैट,
Yes. Yes, very
मदर
good.
सेड दैट शी वाज कुकिंग।
Yes, very good. Mother said that she was cooking. Present I am cooking is present that she was cooking. Mother
कुकिंग।
said that she was cooking. Okay, now we move to the third rule. Present perfect to past perfect. Present perfect to past perfect. Here in the bracket you can write has and have changes to had. Both has, have. In past tense, singular, plural, all you use had. Past tense there is no differentiation कि present में ये plural में have और singular में has. So this rule, she said, I completed my homework. I have completed. She said, I have completed my homework. Who will do this? Who will do this?
Ma'am.
जिज्ञासा बनाओ.
Yes, ma'am. She said that she had completed her homework.
Yes, she said that. Here this I will also become she. Personal pronoun she or have had bracket में आपने लिखा है had completed, and when you change I to she, then here also it will become her. वो अपना ही homework करेगी. तो her homework. Okay, so this is the third rule. Present perfect to past perfect. Fourth rule is present perfect continuous to past perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous to past perfect continuous. Example, he said, I have been learning swimming for 1 year. I have been learning swimming, yeah, since March. Here, comma, close. Who will do it? Soumya?
Yes, ma'am.
Do this.
He said that he had been learning swimming since March.
Yes, very good. That he had been. Again, this I will change to he. And have will change to had. Been learning swimming since March. Okay. Then we come to our fifth rule. Fifth rule is simple past to past perfect. simple past. So this is very simple. Just you have to remember something, some of the main things, that is, am, will change to was, were. Then has, have will change to had, removing the inverted commas, changing to the corresponding past tense. सिंपल है तो सिंपल पास्ट में ही, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस है तो पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में ही, फिर प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट है तो एवरीथिंग इज वेरी सिंपल, नथिंग मच टू. So simple past changes to past perfect. Past perfect. Okay. So means past perfect, what you use? Had plus V3. इसमें had plus simple past. He said. He lost his purse. Who will do this? Hello. Who will do this? Aman? अमन बनाओ, वर्ब में हैड जोड़ के बनाओ. हेलो नितिन सिन्हा, नितिन सिन्हा, यू आर प्रेजेंट? आई कैन सी योर नेम इन द पार्टिसिपेंट.
Yes, ma'am.
नितिन बताओ इसको कैसे बनाएंगे. टेल मी. He said, what you have to do? Simple past, lost. You just have to add had. Tell me. Yes, try.
He had lost
And he
his
said that.
Yes, yes, very good. Continue. He said that.
And he said that he lost his purse. He had lost his purse.
Had lost. You have to remember, when it is past, you have to make it past perfect. He had lost his purse. So you have to remember the change of tense. Here, simple past change to past perfect. This rule you have to remember. कि प्रेजेंट है तो सारे पास्ट में कर देते हैं, ऑलरेडी पास्ट है तो क्या करना है, उसको पास्ट परफेक्ट कर देना है. तो हमारा छठा रूल है, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस चेंजेस टू पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. She said she was watching TV. When it how will you change this? बताओ, कौन बताएगा?
Ma'am, she had been.
Okay, Aditya, very good. Yes, she said.
Ma'am, she had been watching TV.
Very good. That she had been watching TV. Had been watching. Yes, you should make an effort at least. Then only had been watching TV. Okay, now there are some exceptions to the rule. Exceptions. कुछ जगह है जहां हमको चेंज नहीं करना है. Exceptions. Do not change the tense for universal truth. Do not change the tense for universal truth, scientific facts and proverbs. So number one, अगर हमारे if the sentence expresses a universal truth, you will not change the tense. If the sentence expresses a scientific fact, you will not change the tense. Other changes you will make. You'll remove the commas, you'll use the word that, but you will only not change the tense in these three cases. So you have to remember exceptions are only for the tense rules, scientific fact, and third is proverb. So we will take an example for each one. She said the sun sets in the west. It is a universal truth. ये हमेशा जो है वो सही रहेगा, ये नहीं कि आज सेट कर रहा है sun and tomorrow it's going to change. How will you change this? You have to make all the changes, just the sets will not be set.
She said that the sun sets in the west.
Yes, she said that the sun sets. ये एक ही, इसको हमने बदला नहीं है, टेंस को बदला नहीं है. हाँ, बाकी सब चेंज हमने किया है. ये we have removed these commas, then we have used the word that, but the exception is only for tense rules. The teacher said the earth rotates on its axis. Who will change this? Hello? Riya banao.
The teacher said that the earth rotates on its axis.
Yes. The teacher said that the, so we are making the other changes. Only we are not changing the tense. So you have to remember the exceptions are only for the tense rules. Here यहाँ जो है हमने rotated नहीं किया. ऐसे tense rule को follow करते हैं तो rotated होता, लेकिन rotated क्यों नहीं करेंगे? क्योंकि ये universal truth है. वैसे ही scientific fact अगर हो तब भी हम change नहीं करेंगे. Scientific fact like the teacher said the water boils at 100 degree. तो इसमें क्या करेंगे? Here also okay. A scientific fact example. This is a scientific fact. Divyani answer.
Yes, ma'am. The teacher said that water boil at 100 degrees Celsius.
Yes. Here also you will not change boils to boiled. Why you will not change boils to boiled? Because
It is a scientific fact.
Yes. Here boils will remain boils only. Why? Because it is a scientific fact. Similarly in proverb, father said honesty is the best policy. इसको कैसे बदलेंगे? Father said honesty is the best policy. इसको was नहीं करना है. क्यों नहीं करना है इसको was? क्योंकि ये एक proverb है. तो in scientific fact, universal truths and proverbs, you don't follow the tense rules. Honesty is the best policy. So here is will remain, is only, no change in the tense rules. Then we come to questions. How to change questions? When you are dealing with narration, you have to you have to learn separately how to change sentences, how to change questions, because all are changed in different ways. Okay. Now, when we deal with questions, you have to remember that there are two kinds of questions. When you deal with questions, या ऐसा करते हैं कि अभी कुछ एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं क्वेश्चंस को अगले दिन, बिकॉज okay, I will give you some questions, you have to solve it. चलो Aman, you solve it. Hello, Aman, are you present? Aman Tandi. रौनक बताओ. रौनक.
हाँ बताएं.
नितिन, हाँ बताओ.
The woman said that she was waiting.
Yes, very good. That she was waiting for her son. Who will change this? Riya? Riya, कोशिश करो.
मैम रोहित.
हाँ, रोहित.
Said that.
Yes. Said that.
Time. Time and tide.
वेट को वेटेड बनाएंगे यहाँ. वेट फॉर नन या और वेटेड फॉर नन.
Waited for.
वेटेड कैसे? वर्ब है. टाइम एंड टाइड वेट फॉर नन. समय किसी का इंतजार नहीं करता.
मैम waiting.
हाँ,
कुछ नहीं होगा.
प्रवर्ब है.
Waiting.
Wait. Yes, will not. It won't be waited. Waited is wrong. You cannot change to waited. It is wrong because it is a proverb.
मैम सेम ही लिखेंगे मैम.
सेम लिखेंगे. बताए ना, टेंस बदलता नहीं है. तीन चीज में नहीं बदलता है. प्रोवर्ब है ना, तीन चीज में नहीं बदलता. प्रोवर्ब मतलब जो सेइंग जो होता है, जैसे कि हार्ड वर्क इज की टू सक्सेस, ये सब प्रोवर्ब है. ऑनेस्टी इज बेस्ट पॉलिसी. बर्ड्स ऑफ अ फेदर फ्लॉक टुगेदर. तो प्रोवर्ब जितना भी रहता है उसमें हम नहीं बदलते हैं टेंस. Next week you are having English test?
Yes, ma'am.
Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
जितना हो गया है उसके आगे वाला to prepare. अच्छा, it hasn't yet been decided. Today we will decide. Today by the evening your portion will be sent. By today evening. Because the portion has to be common in all the sections. So it is decided by the consent of all the teachers. This is why I have to discuss. सृष्टि, सृष्टि ये बनाओ। सृष्टि, I can see your name. Answer.
Ma'am, he
Hello.
said that it rained heavily yesterday.
It rained. Past tense को
It
किस में
rained.
बदलते हैं? पास्ट को किस में बदलते हैं? रूल।
Perfect.
हाँ, श्रुति, past changes to which tense? Simple past. What have you
Past
learned?
perfect. Past perfect.
Ma'am, it rains.
Rained. Rained is already past tense. Past changes to which tense?
It had rained.
It had rained. Past है, past already past, तो उसमें past perfect. Yesterday changes to the previous day. Yesterday changes to the previous day और day before. दोनों में बदलता है। The day before. दोनों में से एक लिखना, इसीलिए ऑब्लिक दिया है। So okay, your class ends here. Tomorrow I will deal with letter for placing order. एक बार रिवाइज हो जाएगा जिन लोगों ने किया है, और जो लोग नहीं किए हैं वो। ओके।